English modal verbs quiz. There are 20 questions, 10 seconds each. Try them all. Let's begin. They live in a very big house. They buy rich. A might be must. It's 10 a.m. The director. Be in the office now. A must be might. I forget to call him today. A can be must not. It's a secret. You tell anyone about it. A must not be may not. Tomorrow is Sunday. I go to school. A have to be don't have to. That child is in danger. We help him. A must be may. It's getting late. I go now. A may be have to. I don't believe it. I be true. A couldn't be can't. You mind if I didn't come to your party? Could be would. I have renewed my passport. I forget to do so. Should be would. She hasn't arrived yet. She have missed her plane. Would be may. All your wishes come true. May be can. They live in a very big house. They be rich. Must be may. I see a doctor because I felt very sick. Had to be have to. I go to summer school than graduate late. Would rather be would prefer. You bring me a glass of cold water. Could be might. Heave open the door. It's stuck. A can't be may. I must be at work at 9 o'clock every day. So I wake up at 7 o'clock. Have to be might. You look very pale. I think you go to the doctor. Should be might. Question. Students, listen to the teacher. A may be must. Please comment this answer. Comment your total score. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.